In Spanish, the word Arroyo Seco means dry creek. But right now, with snowmelt, it's saturated. The rock pools are full, the waterfalls are flowing, and it's magical in this canyon. You gotta come see it for yourself. We won't have a lot of commentary on this one. We'll just show you the beauty and let you enjoy nature and its sounds. can't wait to see this thing from underneath. What? Yeah. Wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. To find out where this is and how to get here, watch our past upload, Upper Switzer Falls, and enjoy this absolutely epic place. Most people know about the lower falls, but discover how to get to the other one. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. And until your next adventure, remember, explore nature with us at HikeBytes, one bite at a time. We'll see you on the next one. And if you're looking for something really refreshing after that hike, real close to the Two Angeles Crest on Foothill Boulevard and La Cañada Flint Ridge, we found Alto Boba. I got an incredible cream brulee waffle. Heidi and I split it. And I got a kiwi tea. And honestly, this was the best meal we could have had and snack after that hike. Highly recommend it. I don't get paid to promote them, but I thought it was really special. Worth checking out. I'll put a link in the description for you, and I think you'll enjoy them after a really fun, enjoyable day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks so much.